Ka Jingjia pentriam ki kin hon le no ha ka Pahalgam Jammu and Kashmir kalapin long ki nong shong shnong kari India bandon ka min sim sngotriam bat bitar kin thop ki seng san per thai ki kin hon seng bhalang bat ki riupat ba ye ka tei ka jingle ki kin hon le no halor ka ni ka Jingjia ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kala ai jing Kyrshan ye ka rai ka AICC halor ka tei ka Jingjia ha ka ba ki min sim ba loi loi kila sha siat yap ha ki riu pentriam bat thangsna unong mi khmat ke AICC uba pet yaka Meghalaya o Matthew Anthony haka jinga kendu bat kilat pathai KHUBOR ha Shillong Congress Bhavan hakalai phautri uyayong ula pentem ba ka Congress kala Kyrshan ka Sorkar India ka Sienjam bala Shim Halor ka te ki Jingjia ka jingalang ka Mpcc kala pen pauru ka jing sngolem ka jing khlad ukpa ba khun upo Francis bat kala pha ka kerwo sngolem she u Archbishop o Victor Lingdo halor kani.
Good afternoon. Uh, we want to speak to the people of Meghalaya. Yesterday in Meghalaya, Pradesh Congress Committee office, we had our political executive committee meeting as decided by the AICC, and we passed a resolution on the horrific terror attack in Pahalgam against the civilian citizens, and we unanimously approved and resolved the AICC resolution to support the government of India unanimously against this horrific terror attack and to take any actions against the people who have caused this pain and immense injury to the people of our country. We also resolved to condole the death of the Roman Catholic Pope, His Holiness Pope Francis, who was one of a kind of a peacemaker in this era which we all have witnessed. And the Mpcc under the leadership of RCLP, Baroni, and a delegation where we all went and met the Roman Catholic head here in Meghalaya, Archbishop Victor Lingdo, and passed over our resolution to him. We also wanted to convey to the people of Meghalaya that the attempt of the BJP to tarnish the integrity and reputation of the Congress and the Gandhi family with the National Herald and Associated Journal Limited case was discussed in length, and we explained to our leadership and to also the people of Meghalaya through our people, through the districts and the blocks, to say that this case has no factual evidence, no money transfer, no government involvement in any form from the time of its origin of this matter till date. And then the government has used enforcement directorate to fabricate a case which is non-existent to tarnish the image of the Gandhi family and the Congress which has been fighting for this country from the time of independence till now.